I have 2 tablespoons of soy sauce in here. I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar. And I'm going to add 3 teaspoons of cornstarch. I am going to add 4 chicken thighs, which are skinned and deboned, which I cut into about 1-inch cubes, okay? I am now going to cover this, and I'm going to put it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. I have 2 teaspoons of soy sauce in here. I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of hoisin sauce. This is hoisin sauce, if you don't know. 2 teaspoons of rice vinegar, 2 teaspoons of honey, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. You need to use an oil that has a high smoking point for this, okay? Now we're gonna let the oil get really hot. I'm gonna use these red chilies. Okay, I'm gonna add 8. And I added scallion, garlic, and ginger. We will cook this for 2 minutes. All right, I'm gonna take it out and put it aside. I'm gonna add another tablespoon of oil, and we're gonna let that get really hot again. And I'm going to start stir frying the chicken and taking it out of the marinade. We're gonna let this get nice and browned on all sides. It shouldn't take long to cook your chicken if your skillet is hot. All right, I am going to return the chilies and the garlic and onions to this. And we're gonna add that sauce we made. Now that sauce is not there anymore, I'm gonna turn off the heat. I'm gonna add the greens of the scallions I chopped and about a half a cup of roasted unsalted peanuts. This is good.